Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 3.4 and today I'll show you how we can apply screen protector on this device. So at the first we have to prepare the good source of light, like in my case, to see a very dust, a very fingerprint on our screen. It's very important because we have to clear our screen. And let's start by opening the tempered glass. So in the box you can find, of course, the tempered glass and the two wipes, wet and the dry. And at the first we are going to use this one. And also in some boxes you will find the additional stickers to take off the piece of the dust from the screen, but in my case I cannot find it. But you can also use the duct tape. It will help you to remove the dust from the screen. But right now let's focus on the cleaning our screen. So let's use the wet wipe and then make the gestures like that in the circle. When this screen looks like that, we can move to the dry one. So open this one and just use it like that. Okay, and as you can see right now, our screen looks like that. It's in the good condition. You can take a look and just spot few pieces of the dust. If you have one, just remove it like that. Just slide with this dry wipe to the bottom section of your screen. And if it's fine, you can move to your tempered glass. We have to remove this foil, so just make it like that. As you can see, it was very easy. And right now just take a look on the screen. Last time, and here I have the one piece of the dust, so I can remove it right now. And it's very important because when you leave something on the screen, we will get the air bubbles. So right now you have to focus and just put the upper section of the tempered glass on the screen and keep holding the bottom part, like in my case. Okay, right now I think it looks really good, so we can press with our finger right here and then put the bottom part. And as you can see, right now it goes almost automatically. We don't even have to do anything. We can just slide with our finger on the edge to make it faster. And as you can see, after a few moments, the glass is on the screen and it's stick to the screen, and we can just clean it with our dry wipe. Okay, and as you can see right now, it's finished, so we can easily turn on our smartphone. And I'll show you that everything is fine. There is no any problem with the touch interaction or something like that. So we don't have to worry about that because this tempered glass or other screen protectors works really well with the smartphones. And as you can see right now, we can easily make the first setup of our device. So we can set the language and just go forward. And basically that's how we can apply screen protector on your Nokia. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!